Hi guys, I'm Silvanus Murini and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Maths Tutorial. Now guys, today we're gonna look at limits. The limits is found in differential calculus. Now in simpler terms we say that the limit of fx as x approaches a is L. What does it mean? That the more this x moves closer and closer and closer to a, then the more this fx moves closer and closer and closer to L. Now, let's compute one example and see how these things work. Now, let's take, for example, you have the limit of 3x squared, 3x cubed, plus 2x minus 7 as x approaches negative 3. Now, in this equation, we have only one assumption that is made, where we say that we assume that x is equals to negative 3. Then from here, it's just a matter of jogging up with your mind. You take this 3, negative 3, and substitute to where you see x. Now it will be 3 into negative 3 cubed plus 2 into negative 3, then minus 7. So this is negative 81 minus 6 minus 7. Then the answer is negative 94. Now, let's look at another example. Let's assume you've been given the limit of x squared plus 4x minus 12. Then everything over x squared minus 2x. Now, the limit is as x approaches 2. Now, guys, in any case you are given a question of this kind with the numerator and the denominator, test whether the denominator gives an infinite solution. In other words, test whether this denominator gives 0. If it gives 0, then it cannot be replaced directly the way we did in the first example. Now, the best thing to do to substitute here, just try to simplify as much as you can to omit the infinite solution. Now, how are you going to substitute? And how are you going to test this thing? Just assume that our x is equals to 2. Then it's just a matter of substituting 2 with x. Now take 2 into squared, then minus 2 into 2. So this will be 4 minus 4. The answer gives us an infinite solution, which is 0. Now, what can we do from this point now that our denominator gives us an infinite solution? Now, let's start with our numerator. It says x squared plus 4x minus 12. So the product will be negative 12, sum will be 4, and then factor will be, our factor will be now 6 and negative 2. Now from here it will be x squared plus 6x minus 2x, then minus 12. You group them. So from here it will be x into x plus 6, then minus 2 into x plus 6. Now, this is our numerator. So x minus 2, x plus 6. Now, what about the denominator? The denominator is x squared minus 2x. What you do, you just factorize. It will be x into x minus 2. Now, let's join them, the denominator and the numerator. It will be now x minus 2, x plus 6, then everything over x into x minus 2. So you cancel x minus 2, x minus 2. So it will be x plus 6 over x. Then now from here, you see this is x. When you substitute x with this 2, it will give you now a whole number, and this 2 will not be an infinite solution. Now from here, you can now replace directly, as in the value of x with 2. So here, it will be 2 plus 6 over 2. So this plus 2 is 8 over 2. Now, our final answer will be 4. That is it. So guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching my tutor. Let's meet next week with another tutorials. Bye bye, but don't forget to subscribe. Bye.